Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you looking to start your own business in Bahrain or expanding an existing one, or simply learning more about how to start a business in Bahrain but not sure where to begin? Then you have come to the right place and you must watch the complete video with us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is being widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. Why you should start a business in Bahrain? If you want to launch your business from the Middle East, one of the best places to do so would be Bahrain. This small island country located in the Persian Gulf boasts some of the best business opportunities in the region. The economy is booming. The small island nation located off of Saudi Arabia's eastern coast is experiencing an economic boom, and it's attracting international business owners at record levels. The country has seen its economic growth rate increase from 8% to 10% over recent years. As a result, investors are flocking to stock up on industrial and commercial real estate along with other assets. If you have an interest in expanding your business overseas, now might be the time for you to consider taking advantage of all that Bahrain has to offer your company. Natural resources of Bahrain are the main sources of income. Petroleum, natural gas and offshore oil reserves are one of its main sources of income. Natural gas is produced from two major fields, Abu Safa onshore and Muharraq offshore. Oil reserves have been estimated at 33 billion barrels by Saudi Aramco, although other estimates place it between 300 billion to 900 billion barrels. It has proven recoverable oil reserves of about 919 million barrels. Moreover, Bahrain became GCC's third LNG exporter after Qatar and Kuwait due to the development of 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐚𝐜 project. How do NPCS help entrepreneurs? NPCS consists of the right engineers who are able to provide world-class delivery for any part of a customer's project. Because of our substantial experience in managing big projects, we recognize contractors and their skills all over the world. This places us in the best position to tuck together the diverse strands of a client's project. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Please comment us about this video. Please write your suggestions about this video. Also click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website for more informations. And you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.